So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to make Sunburst chart in Power BI. So the Sunburst chart is similar to the standard donut chart, which is inbuilt visual, but it allows to show multiple levels at once, which is actually great when presenting hierarchical data. So for this tutorial, I will be working with this online retail data set. It has columns like order date, category, sales, quantity, profit, subcategory. So over here, my category and subcategory, they are hierarchical data. Now let's say we want to display profit by category as well as subcategory. So let's see how we can do that. For that, go to report pane. First of all, the sunburst chart is not an inbuilt visual, so we have to import it. So in order to import it, go to visualization pane, click on these three dots, click on get more visual, and over here search for sunburst chart. So I will type sunburst and you can just click on this add and it will get added into your visualization pane. Over here, just double click on this so it will get added into your Power BI report. Now over here in the groups field, I will put category and in the values I will put profit. Since I have only one measure in the groups, it will look like a standard donut chart. But now if we add one more, that is subcategory in the groups, as you guys can see, we have multi levels. We have two levels in this. So the inner level shows the category and the outer layer represents the respective subcategories. So if you see, the yellow one is office supplies category. That's why the subcategories of this office supply is also represented in yellow color. Now if you see the inner level, the more area is taken by office supplies as compared to technology, which means the profit generated by office supplies is higher as compared to the technology. Now, if you want to go deep and see which subcategory of office supply has generated more profit, then you can go to level 2 of office supplies. And as you can see, more area is covered by appliance, which states that if you talk about office supplies, the applicant subcategory is generating more profit as compared to the other subcategories of office supplies. So in this way, one can get insight from this sunburst chart. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.